Andre Iguodala missed time down the stretch, but now he's back and could be a key for the Warriors in the playoffs. Iguodala is one of the best reserves in the league, averaging 7 and 3 off the bench and posting the 5th most win shares of any player to start fewer than 10 games this year. And he unlocks the Dubs' death lineup. When he plays with Draymond Green, Harrison Barnes, and the Splash Brothers, the group boasts an insane 142.0 offensive rating and outscores opponents by more than 47 points per 100 possessions. And of course, Iggy steps up on the big stage, like when he hounded LeBron and won last year's Finals MVP.